Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jo. I hope you're going to be able to see this okay. I am super excited today. I finally got my box from the Junking Journaler. I don't know if any of you have gotten one of her boxes before or know what she does, but she's on Instagram and I think she does have a YouTube channel. I'm not 100% sure on that one. But she makes these boxes that are just absolutely incredible. The first one I got was French themed, and it was super awesome. There was even like French money in it, like little coins. It was very authentic. And then there was a vintage one, and then she did an adventure one that was like a backpack and a travel theme, and unfortunately I missed out on that one. So she only makes 25 of these, so definitely go check her out. I think her website is thejunkingjournaler.com. I don't know, you can Google it and it'll take you right to it, and it'll show you what she has available. I know she's already taking pre-orders for her next box. She does it quarterly, so I don't think it comes out till December, but you better believe I already have my hands in on that one because it's just incredible things that she puts in these boxes. So today, I know from the sneak peeks that the theme was spooky. So I'm going to go ahead and open and so you guys can see what is in the box. So there was this letter with this wax seal on it. And it's got a raven. It's super cute. Welcome to the Dark Curiosities box. So this kind of tells me everything that's in the box. Yeah. Oh, how cool. Okay. Oh, I can't wait to see what spooky creations that I can make with this. Okay. So this file folder was in there, and inside, can you even see this? Yeah. There's Temperanceville 1895 Lunatic Asylum patient admission form. And then some progress notes. I'm very familiar with these as a nurse. And then we flip it over and we have an evidence bag. Oh, that is cool. And then some, oh my gosh, these are actual x-rays. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, I'm gonna have to find something cool to do with those. Okay, that's neat. That's neat. I'll have to hold those up to the light and look at them later. So that's the file folder that comes in there. I'm gonna set that to the side, and then this is the box. And it is a teak wood box, and it has this closure on the front. And I'm gonna open it up. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Okay, so there's stuff in the top, and there's stuff on the bottom here. So I am gonna start, oh my gosh, I think with the stuff up here. So I'm just gonna grab it and pull it out. Okay, it looks like a handmade tag with some different ephemera in it, some stickers. Oh, that's really cool. I love that. It looks like a wallpaper on the tag, and I know that's Tim Holtz stamp because I've got those. So that is super cute. And then this homemade tag holder has, oh, how pretty. A tag, a homemade tag with a wax seal and a dangly from it. And then it looks like maybe a tea-dyed guest check, a coin envelope. Oh, how cool. Stamps in a little bag that's been stamped condemned. And some altered playing cards. Oh, that's super neat. It looks like she's stenciled a little bit and did some stamping. Oh, okay. And these are the book pages. Oh, that's so cool. So there's all kinds of different book pages in here. I'm not going to open it up all the way because I'll get it all mixed in with my other stuff. But there's tons of book pages. Looks like some big ones too folded over from the look of it there. Okay, and then I got, okay, so this is all tea or coffee dyed. And it looks like I've got some paper and some doilies. Oh, how cool. Yeah, they had to have been like tea dyed or coffee dyed because those look awesome. And then some, ooh, some whale tails. Some cool ones. Some black and white and then some black and like tan. Okay. And then this pocket, it holds, oh, it's an envelope. Okay, cool. It has, oh my goodness, 3 toe tags. How cool is that? So 3 toe tags with, oh, this is just stuck to it. I don't know where you go, precious. I'm gonna tuck you right there. And then this is some checks or paid checks or check stubs from 1924 and 1957. And then a call list. That's really cool. And a pharmacy pad paper, like an order paper. Super cool. All right, I'll tuck all those back in there. Oh, how neat, like a table card, like a placement card thing. That's really pretty. And so I've always got to figure out how things work. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Okay, so we're going to start right up front here. And in here we have, oh, okay, I think I know what this is, because I watched an unboxing on Paper Terrace of hers. I think this is a wax stick. Ooh, it's a couple. Oh, it broke, that's why. That is still so cool, like a dark blood red wax stick. Set that to the side. That paper, and then this, oh, some velvet trim. That's really pretty. I'll put that back. I'll put those back. And then this one, all right, let go. Some washi tape holding it closed. It looks like we have, ooh, okay, so some, oh, I forget what you would call those little tassels, and then some really nice book corners. There's 4 of them. That's really nice. I like that antique look of the gold. I don't like bright gold. I think it's gaudy, but that antiqued look, that's really cool. All right, and then this, oh, I know what this is. This is the slide. So in each of the boxes, she included a like a magnifying glass slide, like you'd use in your microbiology classes and stuff. Oh, that's super cool. That's neat. Okay, and then here, I'm gonna have to rip it. Try to save the tissue papers. This is, ooh, a stamp with a tree of life. That's really cool. And this one, if I can get the darn thing open. Ooh, what is this? All right, I'm gonna have to look up and see what this is because I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what this is. I'll have to look. Okay, and then there's some really pretty lace. And in these, let's see what these are. Oh, an old antique key. Oh, that's cool, like a skeleton key. And then this one. Oh, I like these little labels with different pharmaceutical compounds or chemistry type things. All right, those are pretty cool. Oh my gosh, I can already think of all the cool ways I'm going to use this stuff. I can't wait to make something spooky. All right, some really pretty black lace and some pretty like black trim with the roses on it. I like that. And then, ooh, ruffle. That's pretty. That's very pretty. Okay, stick that back in there. And then this side has, oh, how neat. We've got beads and a cameo, buttons, and then I think that's a tiny machete. Oh my gosh, it is. How cute are you? I'm gonna have way too much fun with this next journal. I already know. All right, so I'm gonna tuck that right back in there. All right, and then it has more right down here. So in here we have oh, this is the cabinet card. Oh my gosh, look at this child. Look at that face. I do not believe that they are happy to be having their picture taken. How cool. So an antique cabinet card. And then this is kind of heavy. Oh my gosh, is this a tarot deck? It is a tarot deck. Oh, how neat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. And then this one, let's see. Oh, well, good thing I opened on that side. Oh my gosh, I guess it didn't matter either way. So some of those pins, those soldier pins, I think. And then I'm not sure what this box is. It kind of looks like a cheese grater, but I'm sure that's not what it is. It has a E14 on the side. That's really cool. And then in here, there is some wallpaper. So, all right, guys, that is it. That is the incredible box from the Junking Journaler. Definitely go check her out. She has some her boxes, they're just amazing. I mean, this box itself was worth the price that I paid. It is super nice. I mean, you can use this for just about anything. Jewelry box, ephemera box holder. I mean, you name it, it's probably usable for that. So I am definitely excited about all of this and all of the cool things that I'm going to put together with it. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, you can email me. My email is listed below, or leave a message in the comments. And thanks for checking out my new stuff to play with. And you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.